The year-to-date property appreciation for Annapolis homeowners is up 3.3%, but the buyer activity this past week has been slow as we move into the winter holiday market. It's Friday, December 5th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your local resource for all things real estate in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Zip codes 21401 and 21403 are both slow, but 21409 came in at limited, reflecting the lowest activity on the scale. Inventory for home prices over $1 million is at 32% of those offered for sale. Annapolis inventory dropped to 189 units this report, with a median list price of $679,900. 11 homes are coming soon at a median $599,000 list price. 30 homes went under contract in 22 days and holding at a median $600,000. 27 homes sold for 97.6% list to sold ratio in 17 days, with a median sales price of $525,000. Inventory for Annapolis rentals fell to 63 for lease at $2,900 median dollars per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, December 5th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.